the payoff. That's why you need big, giant targets. You got to take the leap. You got to say yes to something big, because little incremental growths, okay, I know it sounds good. I'm just going to grow a little bit every day. No, you're not. You're not going to grow at all. What you're going to do is you're going to get comfortable, okay? You will walk on glass to get the big bag. You will do nothing to get the little score. You got to put yourself in a situation where the only option you have is to win on that option, regardless of how long it takes. Where there's no risk, there's no reward. Where you take no risk, there's no reward. And when the reward is too small, you will not take the risk. Listen to me. When the reward's too small, you will only do so much for $100. You do a lot of other things for $1 million. Okay? How about 100 million? How about $1 billion? Okay? Make it big, make it real, and then the commitment will follow. You got no choice. Once you lock in, I got to have that. I got to have that. And these are the reasons, okay? So enough of the story. From here on out, we're all business, okay? Stand up, boom, shake it off. I'm going to go to the whiteboard. In your workbook, you're going to see a chart now that you're clear on your target. And now that you've gotten rid of all your excuses, and now that you're ready to start making some real money, okay, you got to get clear on your business model. What is it? Your business model is that vehicle that's going to get you all the things that you wrote down earlier. When it comes to creating a business model that works, there's only 3 steps to the business. And the first step is, dude, I need some leads. You got to find prospects who could potentially buy whatever it is you're selling. Qualified people that be interested in doing some business with you. It's their money you need, not your money. If you don't have anything to sell yet, don't worry about it. I didn't have anything to sell when I got to Pueblo. I didn't have a product. Okay? We're going to take care of that for you in a second. We'll fill that in. So we're going to go leads. When it comes to generating leads, there are a few different ways you can go about doing that. There's the hard way. And this is the way I did it for almost 30 years. I'm going to pick up the phone and call one person at a time. Or you could do this. You could do the coward call and send out a cold email. Oh, please do business with me. Please do business with me. We're in the same church, and I'm praying that you will do business with me. Remember, when I started the challenge, I didn't even have a computer. I wasn't just cold calling people. I was out on the street. Hey, pull in here. I was literally standing in the streets. If you hadn't seen the show, spinning a sign. I'm telling you, when you want it bad enough, though, you'll do all that stuff, okay? Now, I'm going to show you how to shortcut so you don't have to be an idiot standing in the street, burning the top of your head, not with your family. This training is about doing things not the hard way, the easier way. I want you to have the shortcuts. I want you to take the fastest path. You do not need to do the cold calls. You could if you wanted to, but you don't need to. You don't need to go beat on doors, and you don't need to stand in the streets. The fastest way to generate leads in today's market is through online funnels, okay? It's so easy, it's unbelievable. I can't believe God has given us this gift of technology. If you don't know what a funnel is, we'll break it down here in a second, but funnels are just simply web pages that collect people's information, get them to raise their hand and say, hey, I am qualified, I am interested, and I have some money, okay? I want to know more about your product and your company. Could you please give me a place to go to give you my name? Like it is the easiest, most unbelievable technology in the world. We've used funnels in my company to generate millions and millions of new leads. And the best part is that once they're set up, they're 100% fully automated. And they'll keep working for you every Saturday for 12 hours. And then the next 12 hours too, by the way. So number one, you got to have the lead, and we'll show you how to create the funnel. The second step in your business model, now that you've got generated, qualified, able, willing, interested leads, how do I close the deal? Okay. I know this part is scary for some people. How do I close this deal? I'm going to show you how to actually automate your close so you don't have to be a person doing this, and we'll work the whole thing out for you. Because here's the thing. When you're closing deals the hard way, why won't you do it? Why can't you do it? Let me tell you why you should do it. You should give me more money because our product does this and this and this and this, and please. And the whole time you're talking to the wrong person. They can't even make a decision. See, what happens to you is you end up chasing the deal so hard, typically with the wrong person. Here's the shortcut on this, okay? Rather than chasing people so hard, typically the wrong person, why don't you have the right person come to you? After you've generated the lead with your funnel, I'm going to show you how to use sales